Students, in this class you are going to learn about the topic letter writing, kinds of letters, how to write a particular letter, whether it is formal or informal. You are going to know in this class how to write letter and what are the uses of letters. Of all forms of communication with people at a distance, the most common letters are most commonly used. Of all forms of communication with people at a distance, letters are most commonly used. Communication by telephone may be faster and easier than this, but it doesn't have the advantages of a letter. Communication by telephone may be faster and easier, but it doesn't have the advantages of a letter. It doesn't have advantages of a letter. Letter is a personal record. When we need, we refer to. Whenever we want, whenever we need, we refer to, we go through letter because it is a record, written record. So, when we want, when we go through, we can go through it, we can refer to it whenever we want. So, it fastens good relations. It may be used for variety of purposes. Written communication is used for variety of purposes. For example, applying for jobs, making inquiries, replying to inquiries, arguing, and consoling, congratulating, advising, and applying for jobs, and sharing experiences. And there are many ways, greeting, and then asking for things and services, and sharing personal. There may be many varieties of purposes we can use written communication. Applying for jobs, asking for help, asking for things and services, making inquiries, replying for inquiries, arguing, congratulating, giving advice, and sharing personal experiences, and congratulating, greeting, and arguing, conveying news. There are many ways, there are many purposes we use letter writing. There are many kinds of letters, as there are different kinds of people, different kinds of situations, events that made people write letters. So there are many varieties are there, but it is reduced to two kinds. They are informal letter and formal letter. There it reduced to two kinds: informal letter and formal letter. Informal letter, it is friendly in tone. It is friendly in tone. They are written generally, people very well. They are generally written people very well. So they are friendly in tone, and they have a specific layout. We can write personal or informal letters, also called personal letter. We can write those informal or personal letters, people very well, and your friends and your parents' friends. Write to parents and brothers, sisters, aunt, uncle, relations, neighbors, and farmer, headmaster, teachers. Such a kind of people we can write informal letters. That is also called personal letter. Generally, we write those letters to whom? The people very well. They are friendly in tone. They have a specific layout. Informal letters have a specific layout. See here, first the letter starts with the heading, consists of the writer's address and date. Letter heading consists of the consists of the writer's address and date. Salutation, number 2 is salutation or greeting. Number 3 is body of the letter. Number 4 is subscription or courteous taking leave or complimentary close or conclusion. The subscription. The signature, fifth part is signature of the writer. The informal letter and formal letter has their specific layout each, but informal letter, in this class we are discussing the informing letter. We are discussing that about informing letter. Informing letter has a specific layout. This contains 5 parts. Heading consists of the writer's address and date. Salutation or greeting. Third one is body of the letter. Fourth one is subscription or courteous leave taking or complimentary clause or conclusion. Fifth one is the signature of the writer. The informal letter consists of these 5 parts. Let's I show you on the board how to write informal letter. Informal letter. Informal letter. See, according to specific layout, the informal letter consists of 5 parts. Heading consisting of writer's address. Fourth, Green Hills, Delhi, 16th August 2020. First part consists of heading. Heading consists of writer's address and date. And the second one is greeting or salutation. My dear friend. My dear friend. You write your friend's name. Rama, Krishna, Gita, like that. My dear friend. Next one, body of the letter. Body of the letter. Your birthday is on Monday. So many happy returns of the day. Many happy returns of the day. I am sending you a camera which you use for an event on that day. You are very interested in photography. It may come use for that day. With all best wishes. Fourth part is conclusion part. With all best wishes, your friend Rama. So signature of the writer, subscription of the letter, signature of the writer. This informal letter has a specific layout. First one is heading consists of writer's address and date, and the next one is salutation or greeting, and third one is body of the letter, and fourth one is subscription, that is conclusion or taking leave. Next one is signature of the writer. Generally Letters are two kinds. Letters are two kinds, formal letter and informal letter. Informal letter can be written to our friends, parents, brothers, sisters, aunt, uncle, persons generally we know very well. So uh, I started letter today, informal letter. Tomorrow I will explain about formal letter. So you will practice informal letter, students, in this class. In the next class we shall meet again with topic, that is how to write formal letter. See here, body of the letter, very briefly I have written: your birthday, my dear friend. My dear friend, your birthday is on Monday, so many happy returns of the day. I am sending you a camera which you use for an event on that day. You are very interested in photography, so it may come use on that day. So with all best wishes, your friend Rama. This is the way of writing informal letter to your friend. We can write letters, informal letters, to our neighbors, parents, friends, close relations, aunt, brother, sister, uncle, friends of our parents, farmer, headmaster, teachers. So like that we can write informal letters. Thank you, students. Practice how to write informal letter in rough notes. We shall meet again in the next class. Thank you.